I'm a generalist. I've worked in consultancy and technology for over 20 years now.
I've worked in 4 major industries.
I've been in the technology industry now for more than 30 years.
As a CIO, I've worked in nonprofits and the affordable multifamily housing industry.
I come out of a traditional IT vendor background. I started off in commercial software.
I have a security background. I was CTO of a cryptography company.
30 years of sweat in the IT world, worked across lots of different industries.
Manufacturing, personal services, technical services.
R&D, manufacturing, logistics, supply chain.
Media, fintech, legal.
Wholesale, retail and manufacturing.
Aerospace, pharmaceuticals.
Board level in insurance, media.
I've worked in gas and utilities.
Retail, I bring legal.
In logistics, in airlines.
I've worked in financial services.
Utilities, food manufacturing.
And I've worked in health and fitness.
Retail to telecoms.
Pharma, outside plant technology.
Professional services, biospace.
Energy and waste management.
Blockchain.
A legal business.
Crypto.
A luxury brand.
Variety is the spice of life.
Between us all, we've seen it, we've
Been there.
we've done it.
A fractional CIO comes in with years of experience from multiple industries.
I spent quite a bit of time in logistics, working for companies like TNT and DHL at quite a senior level.
When I was a kid, I worked in the airline industry. I was a coder doing operational control systems.
Senior roles in a number of other industries like telecoms and management consultancy.
Having prior military experience, it was an easy segue for me out of engineering school after the Marines to go into the aerospace business.
I was in Dell, which is essentially a laptop company but a manufacturing business, and then decided to branch out into other areas.
For a long time, I've had 2 or 3 clients at a time.
Before that, I worked in a telecommunications business, got into medical, got into legal, into education.
Left as a program manager managing about $150 million P&L line of business.
Through Freeman Clarke, I'm actually engaged with a law firm, a digital marketing agency.
Almost 11 years in the energy environment.
There's a lot there in terms of the variety.
And so that sort of gave me a lot of experience that I can bring to the table when it comes to the challenges that we get at Freeman Clarke.
I think there's a lot of on-the-job learning.
Working within an organization at different levels, different roles from business analysis, project management,
Sales and marketing, all the corporate functions, HR, legal, finance.
IT directorship, program leading, boardroom decision making, dealing with problems and firefighting.
Most of those are applicable to any company, and surrounding that is all the sort of governance and strategy that goes with it.
All of that comes in as a package.
So what they're looking for, I think, is the breadth of CIO experience.
All of that breadth I can bring to my clients in a fractional model.
I really like working with clients on looking at developing technologies and seeing how we can use those technologies to help drive their business forward.
And you're a sponge. You can't help but absorb good practice, learn from bad practice. You then just wring that sponge out when you're in front of a client. And it's amazing how they really feed upon that business advice that you've gathered over many years.